Eva. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I go with the name Eva TZA and I am in Kilwa, one of the part of Lindi district, Lindi region, guys. So stay tuned with me as you are going to enjoy seeing a lot of beautiful things here in Kilwa, guys. Their culture, their lifestyle, everything in between. Stay with Eva. If you are new here, don't pass the video without smashing that subscribe button. It means the world to me. But for my returning subscribers, welcome and welcome back. I do love you and I do care about your support and presence. Guys, I've come here with I can say with a Ruangwa team. It's just like Ruangwa team. There they organize themselves and planning matches, different matches, I can say, including football matches, netball matches, volleyballs, handballs, every kind of match, and go in different places just to do competition. And here we go. They prepared this Kilwa district prepared some hostels for us to stay there. So here I am from hostel going to the pitch where the competitions are going on there. I'm gonna make a short video of the competitions. And this is Kilwa Masoko. This is Kilwa Masoko, guys. Rather than going alone. Your name? His name is Ibra, guys. Let's go together from... This is the areas around Kilwa Masoko. And with Ibra, we will know even more and more because he is our host around here. Look at the local buildings, guys. They are so amazing with roof, I can say special roofs. Tell me if there is somewhere with roofs like that in your area, in your places. Guys, here we go. They took the, I can say, the school, Kilwa Secondary School pitch, and you can see a lot of buses here. They brought people from different areas, from different regions. As you can see, they have already started to exercise. Okay, let me go and associate with them. Here is inside the pitch where the competitions are going on, and this is the football pitch. I'll take you in the volleyball pitch as well as netball pitch and all that. Stay with Eva. This is Kilwa and this is the Kilwa secondary pitch, guys. Here we go and enjoy life. Okay, wow, so amazing. Guys, as I told you, there is competition right here, and yeah, this is netball pitch. You can see this at the goals. The goal, guys, and you can see the players are doing exercise right here. Let me show you. It's so amazing and attractive kind of thing. They look so fantastic, guys. Look at them. Oh. Hi. Hi. Guys, they look so amazing from the jets and everything in between, the exercise. So attractive, guys. Netball players doing exercise. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Guys, this is Kibaha DC. They are exercising, doing exercise right here. Wow, 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 wow. Exercise is so amazing right here. Wow. This is Kibaha DC. When they told you Kibaha DC, I mean team from Kibaha district, guys. So they are exercising before they start the match. Is a competition between Kibaha DC and mnacheza na team gani? And Mkuranga, guys. Mkuranga DC. All they are from ni Pwani au ni Dar es Salaam? From Pwani region known as Pwani here in Tanzania. Yeah, stay with us till the end as you're gonna see a lot of games here and there. We can say is a competitional games between different districts around, not only around Lindi but also around Tanzania. Habari za asubuhi. Wewe ni kutokea timu gani? Mkuranga. As I told you guys, is Kibaha DC versus Mkuranga DC. This is one of the team member of Mkuranga DC. Your name?
My name is
Jamila.
Yes.
Jamila?
Mwakibibi.
Mwakibibi. Are you a center?
Yes.
You are playing as a center?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Tell them hi.
Yes.
So guys, this is Jamila Mwakibibi and he's going to play as in a central position as a netballer. So stay tuned as you're gonna witness see the marvelous things of Jamila. See you. Okay. So let us stay together to see what is going on right here. As I told you, this is netball pitch. I've already show you a football pitch, but let's go there and see the players. Maybe it will be a good thing to talk to them too. Guys, I am from Ruangwa and one of the team which is going to start right here, one of them is also Ruangwa as a footballers. So let's work together to see if we can get them. Is Ruangwa versus Kilo. I don't know Kilo B or Kilo what, but you can see them right there. They have blue jays, and where we are going is the side of my side, the Ruangwa. This is the referee or what? Referee. The game controller.
Game control.
Your name?
My name is Heshima.
Heshima. What? Respect. Okay, your name is Respect. Okay, tell them something.
I'm very happy
to
see the members from all districts. So I think we have learned so many things.
Okay, it's just like a friendship match and will make people to gain some new kind of techniques.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, thank you for your presence. Hello.
Hello.
I'm fine.
So,
Your name?
my name is Agustino Mwagama.
Agustino Mwagama from Ruangwa DC. This is Agustino Mwagama from Ruangwa DC. You are going to play with?
This is
Kilwa DC.
A or B?
Kilwa B. There is Kilwa A and Kilwa B, and here we are in Kilwa, eh?
Yes.
So you are going to compete with your host.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a great kind of thing, and I think it's creates a kind of friendship and familiar.
Yes.
Okay, say hi.
Hi.
I welcome them to where? Kilwa.
Yeah, Kilwa.
Southern part of Tanzania.
Yes.
Oh, guys, as you heard, this is the team members of I can say Ruangwa DC, and they are going to play with Kilwa DC. They wear blue shirts. So wewe ni wa Kilwa, eh?
Yes.
I forgot. So this is from Ruangwa and this one is from
Kilwa.
Kilwa. Your name?
Saidi Kunjima.
Saidi Kunjima.
Yes.
From?
From Kilwa DC.
And you are going to start the match.
Yes.
Your expectations?
To win. Because
To
yesterday
win.
We are lost a game, so we are.
You are
Ready
expecting
for
to
win.
win from Ruangwa DC. Oh
Yes.
my God! I pray for my side, Ruangwa DC, to win. Okay. Good luck. I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Okay. There is a volleyball match team.
Yes.
Okay. Let me go and see them. Kilwa DC. Kilwa DC. Your name?
Peter.
Expectations
Winning the game.
to win the game. Okay. Good luck. Hello. From which DC?
Kilwa.
Kilo. Your expectation
To win.
to win the match. So this is Kilwa DC with blue jersey. Okay.
Nyuma iname. Mbele tupate kuona.
So these team members are from Kilwa DC, guys. You can see now I have to leave to see the volleyball players. Guys, this is the volleyball team members and yeah, I'm gonna see them. That's boy. Okay, mnaenda kwanza mechi saa ngapi?
Sisi mechi yetu inafuata.
Ndio inafuata hapa.
Yeah.
Nikajua wa volleyball. Volleyball naanza sanga? Okay. Kwa hiyo ninyi wachezaji wa football ndio hao mpo kwenye volleyball. Oh. I gained something here, guys, that the football players sometimes are the volleyball players. So kwa hiyo Okay, matter of versatility. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Okay. So there is no volleyball match in this morning. Maybe later. After football. Huh? Okay. Okay, I'm happy to hear that. Guys, as you heard, that volleyball match will be after football match. So stay calm and tuned. Maybe we're gonna see them how they play and their pitch. Where is the volleyball pitch? Is that one there? It's not even yet prepared. There is no net.
The arrangement will be there
Okay.
for this match.
Your name?
Noel Hudson.
Noel Hudson from
Ruangwa.
Mkuranga district. Say hi.
I
Okay, guys, this is Noeli from Ruangwa, aren't you? Alex from Kuranga.
Yeah.
Alex Oscar.
Oscar from Mkuranga. And you can see the labels.
Yeah,
It's from Kuranga DC, guys. Mkuranga DC.
Hassan.
Yeah. Your name?
is Yasani Masanyika.
Masajika, also from Mkuranga. Nice to meet you. And I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Guys, this is the volleyball pitch. It is not yet prepared. As you can see, there are some players exercising right here. I think in this line here in between, I don't know if you can see, right here there is something like a line in between, grayish one. It's where the net is gonna be placed. I think so. But you can see them exercising just to be fit during the playing time. Habari za asubuhi.
Mambo.
Poa.
Mzima?
Mzima. Your name?
Good.
What?
Eh?
Your name?
I'm Dennis.
Dennis.
Dennis, yes.
Dennis from which district? Ruangwa, Mkuranga.
It's Ruangwa.
You are from Ruangwa?
Yeah.
Really? I forgot you because you changed the you changed the J's. Hello.
Really, are you from Rongo?
Yeah, I'm from Ruangwa. Your name?
My name is Isaac from Rongo.
Isaac from Ruangwa, a volleyball player.
Yeah.
Are you going to play right now?
Yeah, this time I think so.
This is the time.
Yeah.
Between you are going to play between you are going to compete with who?
Ruangwa and Mkuranga.
Ruangwa and Mkuranga. They are going to play Ruangwa and Mkuranga. Is the competition which is going to be on volleyball, but on the side of football is between Habari.
How are you?
I'm fine. It's between, I can say, Ruangwa DC and Kilwa B, but on the side of netball is between oh my God, I think it's Kibaha and Mkuranga, if I'm aware of that. Yeah, Kibaha and Ruangwa. This is the ref. I don't know. Habari za spring.
Red center pass.
Goalkeeper, say hi. Naomba nishuke. Dawe kama bwawa. Guys, along the way we were passing around here, I saw something. Remember, I am in Kilwa and I said I'm gonna show you. Linamilikiwa na mtu? I told you I'm going to show you the things around here, found here in Kilwa, and you can see here, guys, there is something which attracts me for sure. Hajakauka.
Kwa yani in short yani maji ambayo yanatoka huko mjini kwa sababu kuna mitaro ile ambayo unaionaga ile. Kwa maji yote
yanakuja hapa.
Yanakuja kustay hapa na kuna jingine liko pale ila lile linawahi
kukauka. So guys, this is a dam. Can you imagine? And I was curious just like how and where does this water come from? So my host here, Ibra, told me it is a dam and the water source mainly is rain water, and it has also other sources from town. So the water flow from different areas and come around here. Inside there is different insects, and far there in between there is a good bed. I cannot even show you because it is in between the dam. That's why, guys, comment on this environment. It's so amazing, so amazing. It attracts me because we were just passing around here and I said let me show you. Here is where Mnazi Mmoja, Kilwa, a place known as Mnazi Mmoja, Kilwa, is where you can find this beautiful nature. Kwa hiyo pakikauka panakuwa shimo, njia na watu wanapita. So if it gets dry, you're gonna find the way right here. There is a way there. So you cut in between up to there. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Wow, the gardens. So wanamwagilia kwa kutumia maji ya bwawa. So this is a garden and they get water from the dam. They water it using water from the dam. Let's go. Let's continue with our journey. So that you can take some jerseys and then back to the pitch. Let's go together. Not that of Tanzania, guys, but of Kilwa, because when you refer Taifa Stadium as Taifa Stadium, we have one here in Tanzania, Benjamin Mkapa. It's known as Uwanja wa Taifa, the national stadium, but this is Taifa according to Kilwa. They decided to name it Taifa, and the pitch is right here, for which my host is gonna playing. And so stay with us till the end, guys. Here we are at the final point. The pitch.
Ni uwanja wa nyumbani kwa timu zote ambazo zinatokea kata ya Masoko. Ni uwanja ambao una historia kubwa. Kwa jina maarufu ni uwanja wa Taifa, lakini jina ambalo limebeba jina la mtaa, uwanja uko kwenye mtaa wa Taifa. Kitu kingine ambacho kipo, huu uwanja ulizinduliwa kipindi cha Mwenge. Kwa wengine wanapenda kuita uwanja wa Mwenge, wengine wanaita uwanja wa Taifa, lakini jina ambalo limezoeleka sana ni uwanja wa Taifa.
Okay, guys.
Umetoa wachezaji wengi. Alishawahi kupita hapa Abdul Suleiman Sopo ambaye kwa sasa anacheza klabu ya Azam, lakini pia ameshapita hapa Nurdin Bakari ambaye yuko na Mungu under 20, amepita hapa Mwalani Stinye kwenye kiwanja hiki, lakini pia baadhi ya wachezaji wengine kama mchezaji wa zamani wa Kariakoo ya Lindi alikuwa anaitwa Salum Telo Salum, aliwahi kuchezea uwanja huu na pia anacheza hapa. Lakini kumbukumbu pia wachezaji kibao wameshawahi kuja hapo. Ukianza kutaja wachezaji ambao wamekuja ni wengi mno. Kwa kitu ambacho kinatokea, baki tu kuwa ni uwanja ambao unatumika na timu zote za Kilwa Masoko, kata ya Masoko. Yaani ukiwa na timu tu yoyote inataka kucheza friendly mechi, viwanja viko vingi, lakini uwanja wa nyumbani unaotumika kwa sana
ni wa Taifa,
na ni uwanja ambao ligi nyingi zinazochezwa hapa. Uwanja wa Masoko kwenye kata hii ya Kiu inakuwaga ni hapa. Hata ikianzishwa ligi,
the wall
ukuta wake ni mkubwa. Ikianzishwa ligi hapa watu wanakuwa ni wengi sana.
Okay.
Wanakuja kuangalia mpira kwa sababu ni watu kitu ambacho wanakipenda. Lakini pia uwanja huu umeshatoa waamuzi kupitia huu uwanja. Waamuzi the referees.
Okay.
Wengi sana wamepatia uzoefu hapa. Kwa mfano kuna huyu hapa ambaye anakimbia hapa amevaa red. Huyu mwingine huko
NBC. Oh my God.
Hapa anachezesha championship.
Guys, you can see them. They are coming over there. They are the national product from this stadium right here. You can see them. It seems, guys, this is our hostie. As we moved from that Kilwa Secondary Stadium where my fellow Ruangwa DC members are playing there, are competing with different districts, and we shifted it to this stadium where Mr. Ibra wants to play this morning. So like this, you can see this is Taifa Stadium, and others used to call it what? Mwenge Stadium, because Mwenge discovered it. Here in Tanzania we have something known as National Torch, or we can call it Uhuru Torch. Let's go in this side to continue showing them. So this Taifa Stadium is named after the name of this street, and this street is found in the ward of Kilwa Masoko. There is how many words here in Kilwa? There is 5, but this is one among of them, Kilwa Masoko. Inside Kilwa Masoko, guys, you are going to find a word known as Kilwa Masoko. You are going to find a street known as Taifa, and it is where this stadium is found. And guys, it's too big. It is too big, guys. And according to my host here, he said a lot of big players, example who? Abdul Suleiman Soap was the product of this stadium. He was the product of this stadium. He is playing with Azam Football Club, and I'm happy to hear that this stadium produces a lot of people, also make others to fulfill their dreams, and I think you will one day. Of commentation. Commentation.
Not in real football.
Okay. Okay. Commentator, guys. This guy here, he wants to be a commentator, and I wish that he commentates, and maybe I wish that we get him commenting on the match. But yeah, I don't know. But I will keep visiting Kilwa, and when maybe one day you are going to comment, I want you to invite me so that I can see you and hear your work. Okay, so this inside this big Taifa Stadium, there is also what? There is also netball. stadium and a playground, just like so smart guys, compared even to that of Kilwa Secondary. This one is best, is the best, guys. Tell me from the comment section, how do you see this netball stadium? Is netball stadium or netball pitch, wherever the word you can say, it's likewise. Let us see. Habari mzima, wafanya mazoezi football player. Oh, one among of the players here in Taifa. Kwa mnacheza kati ya nani na nani?
Mimi nishastaafu soka.
Ushastaafu? Lakini unafanya tu mazoezi? Uende kucheza kule? Una exercise tu. Unaitwa nani?
Bedastus.
Nani?
Bedastus.
Bedastus. Mwenyeji wa Kilwa? Wow. Nafurahi kukutana na wewe. Mimi naitwa Eva. Tokea Ruangwa. Okay, shukrani. Nimekuja kutembelea Kilwa. Asante. Guys, that was Bedastus doing some exercise right there. Just like to keep the body fit. Wow, this is netball. And I'm a little bit netball player, but I like exercise, guys. Maybe I should be serious one day with it. And I don't have good background, so that's why I don't even continue with it. Let's stay here with Mr. Ibra, and from there our good video in Kilwa Visiwani. You know, sometimes when you are with a host, a video gonna be easy and attractive. Let's go there. There is Bashiru, Mataka and Goma right here. One of that red t-shirt is wow. He is one among of the refers of NBC League, which is continuing here in Tanzania. You can imagine the product of this stadium. So it seems like they are serious, they are doing something meaningful. That's why some of them reach their dreams. And you see, you heard Ibrahim also, his dream is to become a commentator. Those who comment on the matches. Yeah, it is his main dream. I'm happy to be here in Kilwa Masoko, ward of Kilwa district. And guys, I'm just like, being here is just like to be familiar with the area and know about a lot of things. And Ibrahim told us Kilwa has 5 districts. One among of them is this Kilwa Masoko. Guys, this is between TSN and SSC, Tanzania Sisi Nyumbani and Social Service Football Club. This is TSN, guys. Team again? TSN, Tanzania Sisi Nyumbani Football Club. Okay. Nice to meet you. Good luck, nawatakieni bahati nzuri. Okay. Watu weupe. Sawa. This is social service with Chelsea jersey. This is social services Football Club. Wish you good luck.
Keni kidogo jamani.
Shamba. Wow. Wish you good luck, guys. And right here we have a referee. Referee, guys. Main referee, Mr. who? Mr. Bashiru. 3 referees. This pitch is so serious, guys. So amazing. Your name? Your name? This is the head coach, the head referee. Okay, Bashiru. Good luck. I wish you good luck. Nawatakieni uchezeshaji mzuri. Okay. Nice to meet you too, and I'm happy kwa sababu ni one among of the stadiums ambazo unakuta mko serious like this. Okay, shukran. Okay. Okay, guys, also we have wazungu here. Okay, hello. Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Okay, welcome. Between TSN and SS. TSN and Social Service Football Club, guys.
Sasa ngoja kwanza na neno. Karibu.
Asante. Wachezaji mpo? Aha, sawa. Sikuandaa kuongea sasa, lakini nimekuja kuangalia mechi nzuri. Kwa hiyo ninataka kusema cheze mzuri, utafunga gol nyingi, alafu tutasherehekea sana. Tunamshukuru Mungu kwa sababu mchezo, si ndio? Mpira tuna mwili, mna mwili ambayo unaweza kucheza, si ndio? Ya, kwa hiyo cheze mzuri, lakini mshukuru Mungu pia, si ndio? Asante. Jina lako? Jina langu ni Joeli. Ninaishi Ikwiriri sasa. Baba Eden, huyu ni Eden. Ni mtoto mdogo mwingine pia atakuja pia. Yeye ni mchezaji kweli, lakini ana mwaka moja sasa. Asante.
Wow. Welcome. Guys, someone is happy there, just like inabidi nimuoe mimi. And just like the mzungu here said, he has also because he came here with a daughter, so some of the players was happy, just like jumping and say, I wanted to marry the girl. So yeah, we are so happy here, and the match is going to start. Wow. I think it's time now with raised bands. We have them right here. This pitch is very, very serious, guys. Hi guys.
You say hi, it's a video. You can wave.
Guys, this is Eden, and she was just like shy. Are you happy being here? Are you happy? What is this? Do you own a phone? Can you give me your phone number?
It can't work.
Yes?
It can't work.
It can't work. Okay, then it's just for playing, right?
Is it for playing? Mama,
I'ma kick back. I'ma kick back. I'ma be the best that you never had. I'ma kick back. I'ma kick back. I'ma be the best that you never had.
had. Won't you let me go? No, you never come back. I'ma be the best that you never had.
I'ma kick back, 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 back. I'ma kick back, back, back. I'ma be the best that you never had.